Hey folks, this is Shetz, and I just wanted to, maybe some of you were stuck on page 5, the last two problems. So first off, we have to determine total interior angles. Well, we're going to be using this formula here. All interior angles is n minus 2 times 180. We know this is 5 sides. So 5 minus 2 times 180, that's going to give us a total of 540. And when we add up all these angles right here, add up all your x's, you're going to get 17x. Add up all your numbers, you're going to get a minus 4. And we know that's going to equal 540. When we add 4 to both sides, we get 544. And when we divide by 17, we now know what x is. X is 32. And if we had to plug it in, I would plug it right here first. 2 times 32 would be 64, plus 1 is 65. So this angle would be 65 degrees. Number 16, it might have been a little hard for you to see, so I've already pre-filled these two angles in here. And again, we're going to use this formula. This has 6 sides, and we know 6-sided figures have a total interior angles of 720. When we add up all these x's and add up all these numbers, we get 23x plus 7 equals 720. Subtract 7, you're going to get 713. Dividing by 23, we know that x will be a 31. So if I took this angle, oops, sorry about that. We have to plug it in. 3 times 31 would be a 93. So this angle right there would be a 93-degree angle. I know it doesn't look like it, but maybe it's just not drawn to scale. Okay, folks, that's all I got. Take care.